there's a wild E-money coming, and I bet you it's fogging up, isn't it? E-money, make it stop fogging. Bonafide Hustler here.
E-money here.
E-money with a Popeye arm. What is going on? We're gonna hit up some garage sales today and see if we can make some money. Maybe some thrift stores as well. Come with us. Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from E-money's spaceship in a mega crunch mode. Look, I'm crunched. Okay, so today we're gonna be going to some garage sales and thrift stores. Should be a lot of fun. Don't forget to hit the like button early, all right? We're gonna start doing this from now on. You hit the like button early. And by the way, I asked one of the questions on my last vlogs, and there's some really good responses. And the question was, where are you guys from, right? Check this out. Watching from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia.
No way.
E-money, it's not even a stone's throw. Even if I threw a stone, there's no way it would even get close to Australia. It'd probably get into the middle of this cul-de-sac. Anyway, E-money.
Yeah.
Love from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. I like to look at this vlog. Are you eating tacos every day?
Oh, speaking about tacos, my phone actually notifies me every Saturday about how far it is from here to Taco Deli.
Oh, that's awesome. That's great.
But only on Saturdays.
Here's Lynette, tuning in from Merimbula in the far south coast of Australia.
Dang.
E-money, your tornado done, you know, crossed the Atlantic.
That means that
and it made over there, the Pacific, I guess.
My extra from the Dark Crystal reaches all the way to South Australia.
Oh yeah, someone said you look like an extra from the Dark Crystal. California. All right, so we're, you know, these people are from everywhere. We have Texas. Wow, unbelievable. New Hampshire, Oregon, every freaking state representing our first garage sales. You ready?
There's a new one that popped up this morning that I'm looking at. Oh, dude, huge letters.
Huge letters. That's actually good.
Huge freaking letters. What time is
Where's this thing? 8
to 2.
Okay, we're gonna. Oh, there's a VW Cabriolet there. Cabriolet for $3,500. E-money.
Let's see what the picture
We could be
looks like.
super cabriolet people from like 90210 days.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah. So we're gonna hit up our first garage sale. Come with us. Let's go see what we can find today. Ooh, look at that sunrise. That looks good. I see a sunrise like that, I always get reminded of really amazing road trips. I'll be going on one pretty soon, I guess. But that's a pretty nice little CHEDDAR. E-money. Is that a CHEDDAR or is that a sunrise?
That's a sunrise to me.
Oh, that's not good. That's like foreshadowing that we're not gonna find any cheddar today.
Oh, that's a sunrise.
Man, I think it's a cheddar. I think we're gonna find some cheddar today. Our first garage sale somewhere around here. Is that what we see? Yeah, I see some commotion going on here. It's a 7:30 garage sale. We're 8 minutes early. And she's putting stuff out, which is kind of cool. Oh, I see Bowflex weights. Yes! This could be good. This could be good. Immediate cheddar. And I see some cool stuff. I see a stool that we need for the booth. See that?
Flex weight's perfect.
Yeah. So we saw some good stuff. Let's go check this out. First thing in the morning. Hopefully this one pays off. All right, how much did we spend, E-money?
Dude, we spent 50 bucks. We got a teak record player, some shears. We got acoustic guitar.
Yep, the Fender 12 string.
Weird corkscrew stool that could probably give you TB. We got Bowflex weights that'll drop on your feet. A few more guitars.
Yeah.
An air purifier that probably deionizes stuff. Some scales and some bags.
And 2 Toomey bags.
50 bucks. Oh yeah. And
Oh,
this,
yeah.
and this dead thing.
And this dead thing.
Dead thing.
What is the biggest cheddar stuff we've had all year? Wow. This is insane, this garage sale. I cannot believe it. We're like right outside of it. We have to be careful. Wow. Whoosh. I can't believe that garage sale. I cannot believe it. So it's 7:50 in the morning, and there wasn't a single bit of competition at that garage sale. We were the only people there picking, and the guy had the craziest prices. One of the guitars is a Stratocaster. It's a made in Mexico one, but still, that's still worth like, you know, maybe 60 to 100 bucks. It's not a terrible guitar. It's still gonna function. It's fine. Gave us a free crate amp and like all this other random stuff. We got two 12-string guitars that were $5 a piece. I mean, it's insane.
Yeah.
What we paid for, these prices are ludicrous. I mean, paid 50 for the whole thing, and that's where bundling really helps a lot, because we probably owed him a little bit more than that, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and so we just bundled the whole thing together. There are 2 Toomey bags in there. We got Bowflex weights. Then we got TLP in one flip, dude. TLP, one We got TLP in one stop.
Dude, we got TLP and Dopios in one stop.
Pretty much. Next garage sale, we see a sign. Thank you so much for putting your sign up early. That's nice of you, guy.
Oh, reseller.
Oh, this looks like a reseller in that car, for sure.
It's Camera Boy.
Oh yeah, this is a reseller. He's like giving us the dirtiest look. What?
Camera Boy.
What did we do wrong?
Bike.
There's a bike. It's a single speed.
Yeah.
Oh, there's stuff in this garage sale. Let's get interesting. Let's go. In this garage sale, we picked up some stuff. E-money failed so hard. E-money cost me like 10 bucks just now, like really bad. What an idiot. Oh my God. He's laughing his ass off because it's so funny.
What you went through with it. The funny thing is that when I heard her say Vitamix, I was like, oh gosh. I looked over.
What did you think this thing was? You said, hey, look, it's a what?
I thought it was the KitchenAid.
Yeah, E-money goes, hey, look, it's a KitchenAid. So I immediately look at this thing, I'm like, oh my God, that's like a brand new. And it had all like the accessories and I immediately like paid for it basically. But here's the kicker, guys. If this was a KitchenAid, all right, if it was, would I be able to do this right here? No, a KitchenAid is so heavy. There's no way. This thing is made out of plastic. It's terrible. Oh my God, and it's made by Ambiano.
That's
so,
it. Look it up.
Yeah, look it up, E-money, but you cost me some money. You told me this thing was like a KitchenAid. It's like, there's a KitchenAid over there. So I like pay for it.
You a cake.
I pay for it immediately. And they even say like, that thing's never been used. And so I pay for it immediately. And then when I noticed when the woman picks it up from the ground and gives it to me, I'm like, damn, this woman's strong. Then I was like, wait a minute. And then she gave it to me and handed it to me. That's when I figured it out. I was like, oh my God, E-money, why'd you do this to me? And then I told E-money, I was like, E-money, hold this real quick and see. And immediately he knew that there was something seriously wrong.
Oh, no.
What?
You're good. You can sell it for 76 bucks on eBay. So locally it'll be, it'll be a wash locally.
I don't know.
I'll sell it for you.
Here, put it in the middle. Yeah, you're gonna sell it for me, E-money. You're gonna sell it for me then. Also got a little lamp, hanging lamp thing for 3 bucks in my booth that'll probably sell for 20. And then there's one other thing. Oh yeah, E-money got a Wii and a couple LPs, but like he got a Wii for 25 bucks with some games. And that'll probably sell for 60 locally, Wii?
It's gonna go for 60 because it has all 4 nunchucks with it, which is pretty hard to find all 4.
Okay, what else did we get at that garage show? Didn't we get something else?
Stevie Nicks.
Oh, cool.
Stevie Nicks.
You smart E-money.
Yeah.
You smartest E-money of all the E-moneys.
First record.
This next garage sale is sitting in the corner over there. There's a lot of commotion, but like you really can't really tell there's a garage sale, but I have a feeling it's there and there. So from that garage sale, got a bunch of letters for 20 bucks. Nothing really crazy. They'll sell between 10 and 20 in my booth, maybe a little bit more each. That one right there will probably sell for around 50. So I have to put it back together, but it's like, takes some screws, like pretty easy stuff. 20 bucks for all this. There's like a little trickle sale stuff for the booth. So like the big wins in the booth would be something like that tractor seat. And then the stuff that helps get the rent paid is stuff like this, the Pearl Snap shirts, the boots, and you know, other random things. But the big wins are always, you know, lockers and bigger things like that, mid-century modern stuff. That's where you really start to, you know, have fun with the booth. But these are very good trickle sale items, so we have to get into these. First word that comes to your mind, what is it?
Resell.
Reseller. Okay, cool. Here, I'm gonna quiz you real quick. Here we go. All right, this one.
Taco Time.
Taco Time. That's pretty good. All right, let's see if you can get this. Oh, you take these all day, so you're good.
No way.
Our first word.
I was thinking Lucha Libre.
Oh, it's a place in town.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's a place in
Luchador.
San Diego that does burritos. All right.
And does tacos too.
This tacos too. Here.
Idiot.
You idiot.
You
Oh, yeah. Ren
idiot.
and Stimpy.
Yeah. Come back. Dude, that would be the capital idiot.
Oh, here we go. Bonafide Hustler.
Oh yeah,
Come on,
Bonafide Hustler here.
This is our channel, E-money.
Oh yeah.
All right, last one.
Oh yeah.
Actually, there's 2 more.
Dude, that's what you take every day.
No.
L-arginine.
L-arginine, yeah. I'll take that.
See? I'm just looking out for you.
E-money.
E-money.
I think you should keep this.
Dude, that is actually cool. E-money.
And look, it's E-money. This is what we all
And the
are.
biggest one, resellers.
We're resellers. So I just got an offer on eBay for a mini Oakley backpack, which it was on one of my shows, but anyways, I think that was like a $6 find. I listed it for around 130 something. It's a pretty rare backpack, and got an offer for 75. I countered at 99, and I just got a counter at 85. So I'm gonna turn $6 into 85 on a, sales dollars. I'll probably walk with around 60 bucks.
That's
pretty
great.
good.
That's really
Oh,
good.
just got paid too. Yes. Hey, bags to bucks in the car right here. Crazy, huh? Oh yeah, and in one of the boxes back here, there is a Filson bag that sold for $125, and that was a $10 bag. So go check out the guide. You can check out all my guides at bonafidehustler.com. You should go check it out. If you want to learn more, I think you should check it out. I don't know if, oh, there it is. I mean, I see the Bob stroller and someone's walking up. Let's see if we can get this Bob stroller. This would be like the ultimate cheddar day.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Okay, no more than 80.
80, yeah.
Yeah, that's funny. We know our Bob strollers. We don't screw around, and that's one of the good ones too. That's a Revolution SE. So let's go check it out. Let me show you something real quick. I'm gonna show you right now. E-Money, this job that we did on the back. Pro or?
Pro.
Pro? All right. Well, you guys have to rate this. You're gonna comment right now. Is this a professional job, or is this some amateur crap right here? We have a Bob stroller on the back of the bike rack, bungee corded. We have no room in this thing anymore. Pro or amateur? Let me know right now in the comments. Ah, they're buying
so awesome.
an MCM table thing or whatever that thing is. Dang it. E-Money, there's still the bike left. There's still some stuff.
Oh.
Maybe there's some hope. Let's check it out. Okay, that bike is a single speed specialized. Single speeds are not that cool anymore. They're all right. They had their heyday. No more than, I would say 70, because you could sell for about 150, 200. So that's what we're looking at. That bike, the fact that it's here is probably means it's $200 right now. I bet you it's market price.
That bike. How much were those?
$5.
$5. Dang.
$5 for Vans? I'll take them.
Cool.
Dude, Whitney's Vans.
Even this
Whitney
part's
will
like
want
all
these. We'll see.
Size 7.
This will probably, I think Whitney's gonna like them. The slip-on Vans are pretty cool. They're brand new. So if not, I could probably sell them for like 30 to 50 on eBay if I really wanted to. Maybe even locally. So pretty good score right there. Just pulled up to our new favorite place, Cartel Coffee Lab, here in East Austin. Shut up! So we got our cortados, but we're in here. We can't odd up and everything, go crazy. But check this stuff out. Look at that. Just look at it carefully. It's going down so slow. Look at yours. Oh, that's cool. Stop right there. All right, so those cortados were phenomenal. What do you think, E-Money?
Definitely some of the best ones that we have in town. I still think Houndstooth has a slight advantage on them.
Oh, I love you so much, Taco Deli. We're here. We're getting some tacos. That's what's up. If you haven't had Taco Deli ever, you're missing out. It's really good. Yeah, so we're sitting here about to get our tacos, and a really fantastic hustling day. I never thought it was going to be this good, but that's pretty cool. We crushed it as much as we could. So really happy to have these tacos today. If you're enjoying these videos, definitely hit the like button. And always leave a comment because we love reading them. Emerson always loves reading comments, so you can give one to E-Money too if you want to. So our tacos have come out. They look sloppy. That's good. And we got some salsas on deck. After this, we're going to the booth. So we'll show you the booth here in a second. We're gonna drop off some things. Okay, so we're gonna put this really awesome seat in the booth. I think it's scuffed up a little bit of the guitar, but it's not a huge deal. These are the tags just chilling right here. We're gonna put the seat, the animal head. Wow, that's a really nice animal thing. We've got the scale and then this globe thing. I'll go into the booth. We'll take you inside in here in a second. So we're in the booth. There's the stool. Look how awesome that thing is. Chilling, we already tied it up. There is the awesome skull we found today, the globe we found today, and this scale is also going in there that we found today as well. Feels good. We're done with the booth. Still got to get to the USPS peeps because in those boxes, and one of the first class rates, we have a $1 shirt that sold for like 68 bucks. We have a Filson bag that sold for $125 on an offer. And then there's like a pair of shoes that sold for 55 that I'm like 12 bucks into. So not a bad day. Gotta find a USPS. E-Money, let's close out the video.
If you guys happen to like these videos, please subscribe, hit that like button, because we love it. If you guys want to see more taco footage, comment down below, like which ones, or if you've ever had one, which one do you like the best? But otherwise, Thanks for sticking around. We'll catch you on the next ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.
Goodbye.